Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will recycle used paper to make a new paper. Okay, let's check it out. Before that, I will tell you what tools and materials are used to make this recycled paper. The first one, tight knot, and then staple gun, and then scissors, and after that, load the staple gun inside of the staple gun, and then we need two photo frame here, and the last one, used paper. Oh yeah, we also need bucket and water. Okay. The first step, now we have to prepare the used paper and then we tear it into small pieces. Oh yeah, we can cut the paper with scissors to make it small quickly. Guys, you have to know that when using scissors, you have to be more careful because this scissors is very sharp and could hurt your hand. Now we have to put this paper inside of the water and we have to wait until 24 hours. This is the result. Now you can see the pulp here. Actually, we can make paper pulp that is smoother than this. We can use a blender, but because we don't have one, so we have to crush it manually. We have to crush this paper continuously until it is completely destroyed and turned into pulp. Okay, now we have to prepare the tools that are used to make a paper recycling maker. Oh yeah, because this is a new staple gun, so I have to open it and I have to try it first. If you're a kid, you have to more careful when you want to use these tools because this is very dangerous and a little bit sharp. When we use these tools, we have to insert a type of bullet into the staple gun to fire it at the object that we want to attach it to. Okay, let's make it. Now we have to connect the tight knot with the frames. We can use the staple gun here and we have to do this part to all of the side of the frames. Okay, this is the result and I made 5 tools. Now we have to prepare the bucket and we have to put the paper pulp into this big bucket. After that, we can make the paper. The first one, we stuck the empty wooden frame on top. Then we stir the pulp. Now we put the frame into the bucket. Let the pulp boil up on the frame. You can move your frame to make sure all of the pulp already inside of the frame. And slowly we lift the frame. Remember, slowly and be careful. After that, we can throw away the water first. And then, we can leave the empty frame. If you want to throw away the water again, it's okay. Now we move to the other side. We put the frame carefully. Now, we place the flannel cloth on top of the frame. Then we turn it over and throw away the remaining water. To throw away the remaining water, you can use some tissue or sponge. Now we lift the frame, but remember, be careful. And look at this one, this is the result. If you look at the result, you can still see that there are large pieces of paper still peel up. This is normal, yeah guys, because we don't use a blender. So, if you want smoother result, you can use a blender, okay? Now we have to dry this paper in the sun first. And we have to wait until 2 or 4 hours. Guys, because this took too long, I used a hair dryer to help dry this paper. When it's dry enough, now we have to remove the paper from the flannel. Remember ya guys, be careful and slowly. This is so satisfying guys. And this is the final result. We have recycled paper here. Now you already know how to make recycled paper, so you can try at your home. Okay guys, after this video, I will tell you how to make human circulatory system model. So you have to stay tuned on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.